Okay, so in this example, another word problem, we're going to see how we can write the formula, okay, based to solve this problem. So in this problem, we have fencing. So they want to install a chain link fence around a yard, okay? And so the yard measures 25 meters by 30 meters. So it's a rectangular yard. And they're going to also install a gate that's 3 meters wide that goes across the driveway. Okay. Now the gate comes pre-assembled, so basically they're just going to put the gate in once the fence is put up. Okay. So how much fencing are they going to need? So the first step, remember, we got to have a formula, right? So let's write the formula. So again, if you want to draw the picture. So you've got this rectangle, and let's say you got 25 by 30 meters. But let's say the driveway is here, and so you're going to leave this open for the gate, right? So there's going to be a gate here. So how do you find out how much fencing you're going to need? Well, you know the perimeter of a rectangle is how much of the distance. So find the perimeter of a rectangle is what? Well, let's write the formula. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And that'll give us the complete distance all the way around the yard. But we don't want the whole thing to be enclosed in fence. We're going to have a piece of that that's going to be gate. How much? 3 meters. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract. So once we find the perimeter, we're going to subtract off 3 meters. And that's our formula. Okay? Now, in this case here, we don't need the parentheses because order of operations will give us the correct answer. Okay? Or if you use the other formula and did it this way, then you would need the parentheses, right? So now let's go ahead and plug in the values. So now let's plug in our values for L and Y, so 30 and 25. So let's do that. So that's going to equal 2 times 30 plus 2 times 25 minus the 3. And so that's going to be 60 plus 50 minus 3, which gives us what? 107. Right? And that's 107 meters of fencing that's going to be needed. Now let's do it this way, just show you that you're going to get the same answer. So this will be 2 times the sum of 30 plus 25, minus 3, which equals 2 times 55 minus 3, which equals 110 minus 3, which equals 107. So you still get the same thing. So 107 meters of fencing is what's going to be needed. Okay? And so that's how you use the formulas to help you solve the problems. You write the formula, you take the information, realize what's going on, right? What kind of shape we're dealing with, what is the problem, draw a picture if you need to, and then use the information to find the formula that you need, right? Got to pick the right formula, and then once you pick the right formula, then it's just a matter of substituting in for the known values and solving for the unknown value that you want. And that's it. Have a great day.